This is going to be a game changer for e-bikes.
There's alligators over there, and you know what? If you're on an e-bike, you can get away from them fast.
You said you want to go find an alligator?
I know.
I think you're
I'm prepared to run from one.
This is going to be a game changer for e-bikes. So excited to check this out. Woohoo! It's the new LECTRIC XP LITE, and yes, oh my gosh, it's light. The battery's already in it. Oh, the charger. Get it charged up here to try it out. Well, let's see how easier the two bikes, the XP LITEs, fit into the Jeep. Now, when we take the XP and the XP 2.0 and try to stick them in the Jeep here, we actually can't get both of them in the back without pushing the back seats forward a little bit, so it's kind of a tight fit. And this isn't even completely empty, so let's see what happens. Folds down pretty small. Oh yeah, still got quite a bit of room in there. Let's get the other one. I can't get over how much lighter these are. Well, let's see what happens here. Voila, they fit, and the back seat is still all the way back, so you can have passengers. Ready to try these out?
Let's do it.
Okay. Not too bad, huh?
No, a lot lighter than the other ones. It even has XP LITE on here. You got that? You need help with that?
I don't know if I can handle it. I am going to replace these seats right away with the comfort package. They're on our regular XP2s because, yeah, comfort is a thing. Nice wide seat. How's that for seat height? Will that be good?
Sure.
So they have a package that includes the comfort seats. We would recommend these. So you're liking them, huh?
Yeah. I say, if you already have e-bikes, give them to the kids, the grandkids, whoever wants them, and get these.
Yeah.
That's what we're gonna do.
I think my daughter and her husband are going to be getting our XP 2.0s.
I think so too. So much nature, I love it. Sounds like a jungle almost.
It does.
We are riding without the motor, which was surprisingly easy. The other ones, I struggled with it because they're kind of heavy. So
right.
this is great. They're just easy to maneuver, lightweight. I'm loving them.
Yeah, these are really awesome. They feel like a regular bike. And then, yeah, if you all of a sudden need power to go up a hill or you get tired or whatever, you just turn the power on and away you go.
Away you go on top of that hill. If you're in Florida and you see a hill, you can call it a mountain.
Right. And we're not wearing helmets this time. It's not required in this state, but we do have them. This is more of a leisurely ride.
Yes, I like to feel the wind in my hair. Woo, hey Mikey, she likes it. Or hey Tommy, she likes it.
I think Cheri likes these.
These are easy to maneuver.
Yeah, very tight turning radius, which I usually say about the truck.
Yeah.
I don't usually say that about bikes. But wow, the new LECTRIC XP LITE version is surprisingly cool.
It's small, easy to maneuver. I feel really comfortable on this. I was concerned about the seat because we were talking about like the suspension, but it has give, so it's like it's perfect.
Right, and this is the comfort package that's got the built-in spring in there, so that is giving us that. So highly recommend the comfort package.
Highly recommend the comfort package.
This is so nice.
Your bum will thank you. Mine's thanking me.
Yes.
He wanted to try it with the other ones first, and I was like, no.
And this is a 300 watt foldable electric bike. It's a little lighter than the XP 2.0 and 1.0 from LECTRIC. I don't think you're giving up that much though.
Oh, it has a handle. Look at that. Not bad. And that's with the battery in it.
Yeah, pretty cool. Top speed of 20 miles per hour. Battery life, they're estimating around 45 miles, very similar to the XP.
I don't ever go that fast.
Right.
I think I've been max. What did we do in Zion was my max. It was like 20 something. Yeah, I don't.
Officially, it's got to be 20. Never went over 20.
Yeah, maybe it had a couple times of going like 23, and I back off. I don't like going that fast.
And the controls, if you have an XP or you've looked at electric bikes before, the controls are identical.
They're the same. Yeah, we were able to hop on and knew exactly how to work them.
Exactly
which is really
what to
great.
do.
And they're easy to work if you don't know how.
Right, battery placement is the same. It's
Yep.
inside here. These fold apart quickly. And I guess the amazing thing was how much easier they fit in the Jeep.
Yes, they were. And I didn't even know they were back there. We traveled with them and back there last time. I didn't even know they were back there because they were all completely in the trunk space before we had to fold the seats down.
They have smaller tires, which they're still good for all different surface types, but depends on if you're a fat tire fan, you're going to want to go with the XP 2.0. If the smaller tires are great for you. But you know, a huge thing, because we have a big RV life, RV living community that watches us, and anybody with an RV might like this because they're smaller
and lighter.
Lightweight,
yes.
And so if you have an RV, this might be the ideal bike for so many reasons. First, it's more affordable. The price is $7.99.
Yeah, I think that's great. I'm excited about that. I think that helps more people afford being able to have one of these, and everybody should have one because they're so much fun. Speaking of, while you finish talking with them, I'm gonna ride. See ya, bye.
And they fold up a lot smaller, they're lighter. So people in a Class C, a Class B van, for example, these might be ideal. It's a 48 volt bike. I think we're gonna put some more miles on these, and yeah. Let's see what else we discover as we try out the new LECTRIC XP LITE. You just want to get back on the bike.
I was coming to check on you to see if you were done talking yet. Tom talks a lot.
All right, time to go ride.
so bright, can't you hear it calling us? Let go, leave all of your cares behind. You never know where you might find sunny days are coming up. Dreaming of tomorrow, soaking up the sun. We can sit and talk about it, or we could run away, 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 away. We don't have to stay, we could run away. Away, 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 away. Oh, we could run away, run away.
So it's a keeper, huh?
I think it's a keeper.
What's your favorite part?
The ease of maneuverability, because it's lighter weight, the tires aren't so, I guess, chunky. It makes it easier to turn. It just feels light and easy. Yeah, I say we get rid of the older ones, give those to the kids, and keep these.
I think my daughter and her husband would love our XP 2.0s right now.
I think they would too. I've loved those. Those have been fun.
Yeah,
but yeah,
totally.
I really like the maneuverability of these.
When you're full-time in an RV, size, weight matters.
Size matters.
Yes.
Okay. That's what he said. No, that's what she said.
Give you a little bit more information about the new XP LITE. You guys want all the specs, right? So there's actually 4 different colors these come in. They've got a white and a black, which is what Cheri and I have. They also have electric blue, which is very cool looking. So check out that color. And a sandstorm, which is kind of an off-white color. That's pretty cool looking as well. And these also come with packages like the comfort seat, the bike racks, the lock, a cell phone holder. So look into the packages here. There's a commuter package, a carry package, and a comfort package. So check those out. The bike weighs 45 pounds. And I assume that's with the battery, so a little bit less without the battery probably. All of this for just $7.99. That's really cool. Here's some of the specifications that you might be interested in. Of course, we'll have a link where you can see all of the details if you want to check them out. At just 45 pounds, it's one of the most portable e-bikes on the market. It's got a 300 watt nominal or 720 watt peak planetary geared motor, the ability to reach a top speed of 20 miles per hour with pedal assist or throttle, either as a class 1 or class 2 e-bike. The XP LITE is the only 48 volt e-bike in this price range. Foldable down to 35 by 18 by 27.5 inches, making it one of the smallest folding e-bikes in the industry. Just like its older brother, it's equipped with 5 levels of pedal assist. And you've got that twist throttle when you just want to have it do its own thing and you just sit back and relax. And it's got slim tires, 20 by 2.6 inch tires that give you such maneuverability. It's awesome. And just like the XP, the battery slides right out for charging separately, or it can also charge when it's inside the bike right here. Got a headlamp, it's got reflectors, it's got a rear brake light back here for safety, everything you need. And these are so much easier to get packed up into the RV. Lighter, basically take them and put them right wherever you're going to put them. Ours go in the garage. Actually, we don't even have to break these down, fold them up. We can just wheel them right into the back here. And they're already ready to go. The next time we want to go for a ride. As Cheri and I said, we love the new LECTRIC XP LITE bikes, and this is going to become our new RV bikes. If you want one yourself, there's a link down below and you'll find the best price from anywhere out there using our link. We appreciate that, and we look forward to seeing you on the road. And remember, friends, to enjoy your journey. So long.
Woo! Tom, you coming? Hurry up. Put it on the higher speed.
So check it out. Cheri and I.
Head for the sun, follow your footsteps, edge of the world, right to your doorstep, home. Anywhere you wanna go, beyond the stars.